What is up, my riders? So today we got a new protein drink to try. Birthday cake. It's a limited edition, so that means they're probably not going to have it for too long. It's 320 calories, 12 grams of protein. It's not the healthiest thing in the world because I guess it is whole milk, it says on the thing. But I wanted to try their new flavors because if they get them in these lineups of the Shamrock farms, they might get them in the higher protein ones as well. So I guess they're just doing it as a little trial to see if people like them or not, but we're going to try it out. Just if you guys were wondering, it looks just like milk. It smells like icing. That is like the best birthday cake protein powder flavor I've ever tried in my life. You get the cake-ish flavor, but you get the really strong. It reminds me of like the sugar cookies, the pink sugar cookies from like a grocery store or something. Really, really strong icing flavor. If they come out with these with a higher protein, lower calorie, I can see it being a go for a lot of people. I would say this is like a 9.5 out of 10. There's a s'mores flavor. I was really excited because it doesn't feel like it in PA. It doesn't feel like summer because the weather keeps changing. It keeps getting rainy here now, but s'mores protein flavor would be really good. Gotta try that next, but I just wanted to try one at a time. I don't remember how much I liked the Shamrock Farms. My go-to is the other one. I'll put it on screen here. That's my go-to, best protein per buck of taste-wise. I think you're getting your money's worth, but also your protein's worth, and it's really good. Tastes just like chocolate milk, but this is really good. Birthday cake. I used to love birthday cake in the Optimum Nutrition flavor with the little sprinkles. Now I'm going to say this is a lot better than that. Maybe if I used whole milk when I made it. I used to just use like low fat, like 1%. This is more icing heavy. The other one is more cake heavy with the birthday cake for the Optimum Nutrition. But this is going to help me get my workout in. So I wanted to try this. If you guys enjoy the little protein shake reviews, let me know in the comments down below. I have one other one. It's really hard to judge what I should be posting with my videos. Trying with the GLI, it's just hard to present it without doing it with a vlog because there's so much you've already seen with my car, so I like to include vlogs and mix them in, but gotta keep getting the car stuff as well. But I will be adding different content mixed in. So hopefully you guys enjoy the protein things. I have a certified Kellogg's Fruit Loop one as well. I think similar macros, but I like the weird tasted ones just to try them out. And they have protein in them. They're not the most crazy, but it's milk, so you're gonna still get some protein from them. This one's almost closer to a milkshake with calories, but all right guys, hopefully you enjoy. Let me know what you want to see down below. Try to keep you guys updated with content, keep posting stuff. I'm going to keep trying to grind. I'm doing all this landscaping stuff, trying to keep myself busy. Danny has a new job now, so I'm not seeing her much anymore. So it's trying as hard as I can to get content well I can. I love you guys. Thank you for staying with me this whole time. Love you. Make sure to be happy. I'll see you in the next one. As always.